Hello friends, welcome to our channel Inhouse ERP. iFMS ERP basically an online budget booking and funds monitoring system. So in this video I will show you how to create a project in iFMS ERP system so that we can book budget online through iFMS ERP system. So let's start. First, we enter the credentials, enter the registered email ID with the system, click on login, enter the password we received in the email ID or be updated through our profile section. And then login. Now we click on create new project, create project, select the mode of project. This is RSM grant, consultancy grant, student contingency fund project or HEFA project. So we select RSM grant now. This is dummy project, so I put dummy or raw data only. Project name, project agency name, sanction order number and date, name of the scheme, start date, end date, total years of project, 1 year, 2 year or 3 years as per sanction order. Now total sanction amount by the agency, and in the last upload the sanction letter PDF form. And now save the project. Now you see we create a project, all the relevant data shows. We can download the sanction letter, and after this project request goes to the administrator for allotment of project number. So thank you for watching this video. If any query, please comment on this video. Please do subscribe and like.